now that we have a few citations, let's verify that the information about each citation is correct. This is important to do because the citation information we pulled may still have errors. Technology isn't perfect. If the original citation has an error, then our citation will have an error as well. In Zotero, when we click on a title we have collected in the middle pane, we will see the information that goes into making the citation on the adjacent pane on the right-hand side. We can edit any of this. So if this one is a journal article, but it's listed as a book section, click on the words item type and change it to whatever we need. If the title is incorrect, click on the title text and edit as needed. The same applies to everything else. Note that when there's a drop-down arrow for something like author, we can change what it is. So when we look at this book section, we can say this author is actually the editor, a contributor, etc. When we are done making changes, just click back into the middle pane and the edits will save. Now that we have cleaned up our individual citations, it is a good time to check and see if all our citations are sitting in the correct folders. If we have any items that are not in folders already, they'll be in this Unfiled Items section. Drag any of those to their proper folders to stay organized. Note that all citations will always be visible in the My Library bucket, whether we have dragged it to a folder or not. At this point, it's useful to sync our Zotero application again to make sure the citation saves both here and in the online backup. Finally, for this video, let's say we want to add a citation from scratch. In Zotero, click the green circle with the plus sign in it above the central title list window. From here, we select the kind of resource we want to cite. Hover over More to see a larger list of item types. Once we select one of these, we can begin to fill out the rest of the information. For instance, if we wanted to cite an interview we conducted with someone, we would select Interview and then enter the necessary information about that interview.